Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm here with reveal number 30 to my second annual Baking Spirits Bright group swap. And this swap is from Becky. Thank you so much, Becky, for joining. This is Becky's second year, and she was one of the few people who asked me to host this swap again. Here's a card. I'm going to open this. This is such a cute card. I love the background paper. That's really cute. And I love the stacked bowls. That's so pretty. Love the gold foiled paper. She has the utensils on one side and the rolling pin and measuring spoons on the bottom right corner. That's really cute. Here's her sticker. It says handmade by Becky's Crafted Blessings, and that's her name on Instagram and YouTube. I will also link her down below. She left the card blank so I can reuse it. Thank you. She said, "Hey friend, hope you enjoy your hostess gift. 2 of your favorite things, cups and Bath and Body Works. I made 2 to swap. Love, Becky." Thanks so much, Becky. You're so sweet. I wasn't going to host this swap this year, but because a few people had asked me to, I did, and I'm so happy. This is a really cute theme, and I really love it. This is a cute tumbler. Look at the design. Love the gingies, the cookies, the candies. That is so sweet, and it's pink and mint green. My favorite colors. She gifted me a set from Bath and Body Works, and this is the warm butter cookie. I love this. It smells so good. I can already smell it. Thank you so much. I really appreciate this. Becky's swap is pretty big here. She used a basket. It's a white basket. It's really big. I can't even get it in frame. She has this really pretty pink satin bowl. It's a double bowl. And here she has this really cute, oh my gosh, I can't even get this in frame, guys. She has this really cute tag. It says Gingerbread Baking Company. Love that, with the pink glittered paper and this wooden gingerbread. Isn't that cute? Oh, perfect. I was so scared that I would have to tie this bow, but I don't have to tie it because it's a clip. And these are also, this is a keychain. That is so cute. I didn't see that earlier. So she clipped a keychain to the pin. That's adorable. Love the focal gingerbread house. And then she has a cute gingerbread charm. And then there are the 2 tags. That's so cute. This is the first item. Look at this. She hung some utensils on a key ring. That is so creative. I love that. Then she has this curly ribbon here. Look at this flag, this banner. Baking Spirits Bright. I love the dimension. She used foam for the words. She has it on a rosette. Love the colors. This is really cute. Really, really cute. I love that. And she also has Twisted Peppermint Gentle Foaming Hand Cleanser. This is from Bath and Body Works. This is a really nice scent. I love that. Here's a Baking Spirits Bright spatula. And this is a compressed sponge. So before soaking, it's flat, and then when you soak it, it puffs up. That is so fun. I haven't seen this before. That's so cool. She also has some mini waffle cones, and the flavor is sugar cookie. That sounds yummy. Look at this, Bake My Day lip gloss. That's so cute. What a nice gift. In the front, there's a cute gingerbread sticker. That's really cute. And on the back, she has her sticker. This is the next bag. Look at how cute that Santa Claus is. It says Jingle All the Way. I love this pom-pom. So fluffy. That's really cute. The first item, this is her memory disc. Look at how cute this is. I love the Baking Spirits Bright. And she has the mixing bowls in the back, and it's on a rosette. That's adorable. Look at the cute bowl, and the Gingy is holding her utensils. Here is a charm with measuring spoons and a measuring cup. Isn't that cute? And look, there's a cookie sheet on the back. That's adorable. And there's her information. This is so creative. I love this. This is really nice. Here's a pair of socks. Look at that cute Gingy. So cute. There's a bunch of Gingys on here. Very soft. Love that. Look at this. This is her trinket box. Is this from the Dollar Tree? I haven't been to the Dollar Tree in a long time. I love this. It reminds me of the heart ones that they have for Valentine's. And then they had some for Easter, different shapes. I can't remember. But I haven't seen these. Well, because I haven't gone there. This is really, really cute. So I don't want to take it all out because I'm going to have a hard time putting it back together. But this is just filled. She has so many beads in here. Beads and charms. Look at all the pretty colors. This is a really big trinket box. This is so cool. What a neat idea. Your partners will love this. That's amazing. Last but not least, look at this box. Look at this house. She did such an amazing job. I love the colors. I love the glitter paper. The glitter paper around the windows. Look at the top. Look at how intricate that is. That is so pretty. She has a wreath, a Christmas tree. This is beautiful. She has pockets on the sides. This opens, and she has velvet. That is so pretty. Oh, and here she has the corners. I don't know what you call these. That is so pretty. I love that. This is her beaded item. Look at her beaded pen. This is so cute. Love the fluffy pen. Love that Gingy focal. The fluffy spacer with the pink body of the pen. Really cute. This is this a trinket box? These are flowers. Look at that. She made mini flowers. That's so pretty. All in different colors. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. I make these flowers and they are so time consuming. I mean, they're fun to make, but you have to be in the mood, I think, because it is tedious. And look at that pretty flower. It's so pretty. I love the paper she used. That's really pretty. Oh, and here's another one of these measuring equivalents. I need one of these. I love the color. This is very useful. That's a really nice gift. I love how she lined the inside with velvet as well. This is so pretty. What a pretty present. And here is a drawer. Oh my goodness. So look at this. This is so cute. I love this. If it's a chapstick, oh my goodness. This is really cute. Look at that. Original chapstick. That is so cute. I wonder which dye this is. I have a lot of lip balm dyes, but I do not have this one. This one is really cute. And here's a really cute box. It says Jolly Holiday. Love the peppermints. I'm so clumsy. Here are some wax seal stickers. There's some envelopes on the bottom, and they go with the note cards that she created. These are so cute. Look at this bow. That is adorable. So she made 3x3 note cards. That's the first one. Here's one with the baking bowls. That's so cute. I love that. And here's one with the sugar cookies. That's so cute. They are adorable. That's such a nice gift. This is so pretty. I love this. This is gorgeous. I really love this box. Fabulous job. Okay, guys, that was Becky's swap. That was amazing. Everyone is doing such a good job. I love every swap. Everybody has so much creative talent. Love it. So thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day, and I will be back soon. Bye.